Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to clean all of this crap all around here without messing up the finish on your fridge with one of these. So you ready? Let's get into this. This is going to be way easy. All we need are some of these and some white vinegar. Don't worry, we're not using a whole gallon here. This is a really common problem you get with the ice and water dispenser on your refrigerator. Sometimes you get it just from making a mess, and sometimes you get a little bit of ice that gets trapped up here and it melts, and then the water ends up drying up down here. And what you end up with is a whole bunch of discoloration, and all the minerals that end up in the water get this thing really dirty, and also you get all this sort of caked on brown stuff that is really hard to remove. What most people try to do is take some warm soapy water and a scouring pad and just kind of scraping this off. And what ends up happening in that case is a lot of this stuff doesn't come off and you end up scratching the finish on your refrigerator. So that's not good. So what we're gonna do is take a little bit of Tupperware and we're gonna put in some of our white vinegar. Next, you're just gonna take a little bit of paper towel and fold it over just a few times, just to get it small enough so it's gonna fit over on that shelf. And we're gonna dunk this thing right in here. So you just go ahead and put that in there, get it nice and wet, just wring it out a tiny little bit, and we're just gonna slip that right in here. Make sure you fill up the spot here and fold this over so you're not kind of dripping on the floor or anything like that. Be sure you cover up all the spots where you've got all that discoloration here. And then you can just kind of leave this here. I also like to put a little bit of extra vinegar in here just to make sure that this is gonna stay saturated, just like that. As far as this other piece goes, you can see that most of the dirt here is on the top and around the edges. And there's not really anything going on back here. So I'm just gonna stick it right in here face down. How long you let this sit just kind of depends on how much crud you have built up on your refrigerator. In our case, we're gonna let all this soak for about 1 hour.
3 days later.
After the time's up, you can go ahead and kind of inspect this just to see how clean everything is. And as you can see, this got super clean all by itself without us having to even scrub it. You can use your finger and feel around the edges here, see if there's any rough parts. All the rough parts would be where there's still a little bit of buildup. So this part is done, so we can rinse this off, dry it, and pour this vinegar out. Moving back to the fridge, we can go ahead and pull this out. And you can use a sponge to soak up all the remaining vinegar here. And then we'll go ahead and dry this off. And look how clean this got without us having to scrub anything. All this buildup all around here, it just kind of dissolved away. And we didn't scratch up the surface of our refrigerator at all. Now we can go ahead and put this back in here and we're nice and clean. If you find that you still have a whole bunch of caked on crud there, don't worry too much about that. You can just kind of let it sit overnight and you should be fine. After that, if you have to scrub the surface a little bit, that's fine. Just use a sponge, not a scouring pad. And everything should come off nice and easy. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about us, you can check out a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.